you listen to this stuff, this motivational stuff, and it's all true. You know what I mean? It's all true. You know, if you stick with it and you work hard and you never quit. And to me, it's something completely different than that. Stephen Covey kind of explains it. He says, throughout life, throughout a series of times, people have taken books that taught us how to be a better public speaker, right? If you're a better public speaker, dress for success, right? I heard a guy talking at the bar today. Hey man, this got some incredible sales skills training in this book. And there's all these skills you can learn, right? But I think that success is about integrity to yourself and to the people around you. Now, how does that rationalize into any physical thing you can do? Don't lie, cheat, and steal. Figure out what you want to be. Be honest to yourself first. What do I want to be? What do I want to accomplish? Don't try to accomplish something your parents want you to accomplish or be something your wife wants you to be. That won't work. You won't be successful that way. And secondly, have integrity with other people. For those of you who know me, you know I don't like motivation. Motivation wears off. Zig Ziglar said motivation is like taking a bath. You need to do it every day. But inspiration is completely different. Inspiration is something out in front of you that you want so bad you'll do anything to do to get there. Luttrell today, when he said he had broken his back and had been shot twice, he stuck his fingernails in the dirt, drew a line in the sand, and pulled himself past the line with his feet and drew another line. That's life, folks. That's what it really is all about. The inspiration to know that there's some place down the line you want to be, and you don't want to be here. That will get you wherever you want to be.